So they're giving us a picture. Here's some scatter plot for bivariate data. So there's a bunch of dots. What would your estimate be for the correlation coefficient R? Well, again, I refer you back here to my example from the last problem of what R basically looks like. Again, if dots are perfectly lined up, R is close to +1. If our dots are perfectly lined up down, R is close to -1, maybe like -0.9, or right? So the closer you are to 1 or -1, the more the dots line up perfectly as a line. And if the dots are spread a little wider, then you're a little further away from one, like 0.82. And this one's going down a little bit looser, -0.88 maybe. This is just random, so it's close to 0, some kind of number close to 0. And this is not a line, so it's also close to 0. So what is this right here? Well, this is a big mess. This is not close to a line, right? These are just don't look like anything. It's 0.
-6.
It's just 0. Right? It's not negative, right? Because negative would look like a line going down, kind of lined up. See how those dots? So this would be like -0.6. See how those dots are they're kind of lined up a little bit going down. They look like they're sort of part of a line going down. That would be a different situation. This is just not close to a line at all, right? When I look at these dots, I don't say, oh yeah, look, they're all lined up. No, they're just like spread randomly. Whereas if I looked at these dots, I would go, oh, they're kind of lined up. They're kind of lined up down, so it'd be negative, but not very strong, so like maybe -0.6. But this is just 0 on that.